Hey everybody, this is Cricket. I'm doing another sticker haul, and this one is from The Beautiful Mess. And I wanted to open it up with you so that we could see the beautifulness that she has. I love how she wraps everything up like that. That is the sweetest. Little touches mean the most, I swear. Very much so. Okay, let's do this. Move this out of the way. Move that out of the way. All right, this is the freebie. Ultimate Planner Sale for the October one. Isn't that cute? All you need is coffee and a plan. Amen. Anybody that knows me knows that's my theory. And a bow with birthday, quarter box, and hello weekend. Always need some of those. And then this is Rowena. It's freebie. I'm sorry I mispronounced it if I did. But this is who I used for hers. Beautiful. And then this is also a freebie swap with the days of the week, another full box, birthday, quarter box, and bow. That's awesome. These are awesome. I mean, definitely could use these for a small one. And then I ordered these. I love these. It says I can't adult today, maybe tomorrow. So done with today. Nope, not today. Can't adult today. And nope, meh, nope, meh. So I love those. I had to get these. Thought they were adorable. So cute. I ordered the Sparkle and Bows kit, and here are your full boxes. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. And then your sidebar box. Ooh, look at this bottom washi. Oh my gosh. I'm in love with that bottom washi. And then I love the washi headers and the little washi strips, habit trackers. Oh, this is so beautiful. And then the snowflake check boxes. Oh my God. And the scallop quarter boxes, one with bows, one with snowflakes, and the other one with the Christmas balls and ribbon. This is so pretty. Half boxes with scallops, squared, quarter boxes, appointment boxes, more quarter boxes, all the way down. Love it, love it, love it. Here are your headers with today, to do, and little things. And then your heart check flags, small and large, bill dues, and your flags for the top. I love it with the bows. I'm a good bow girl. Here are your day covers, your date dots, lazy day, Friday, payday, hello weekend, me time, laundry, movie ticket, happy mail, laundry, clean, trash day, pills, but first coffee, date night, plan, not today, can't adult, 15-minute tidy. Ooh, I like that. Canceled, rescheduled. This is awesome. Awesome, awesome. You guys got to go check out The Beautiful Mess. You can keep up with their sales on my Facebook and Instagram. The ones that I buy from, I try to, promote them on my Instagram and Facebook anytime they have sales or what's going on. And I hope that you will come back, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk with you soon. Bye-bye.